Hello, Bishop State, and welcome to another Tech Tip Tuesday and 2 with your host, Robert McWilliams. Today's tip is going to cover the Canvas Annotation Tool. In essence, the Canvas Annotation Tools allow you to, as an instructor, to grade research papers, essays, and other type documents that you will have them submit to you via Canvas. So we're going to go into a Canvas instance here. And I was supposed to say we're going to go into this music production course. And as an instructor, of course, you will go into grades. I've already created a research or reflection essay. And so we're going to go to see who submitted. And we see our student here has submitted a reflection essay. So we're going to click on that. And of course, we're going to click on this arrow. And now we're going to go ahead and open up SpeedGrader. And so now we can actually see what the student submitted. So in this screen here, you have many options here to annotate. And I'm just going to go over all of them just so you can see what is possible. So we have the point annotation. So let's just say right here, there's the lowercase I. We want to click on that, and it actually, gives us a box that points to where we clicked on, where we can add a comment. So we have what we have here, capitalize the I, pointing there. We also have the highlight annotation. So if we wanted to highlight anything, we would choose whatever color, and then of course you can. So also we have the free text annotation, which allows you to create a box anywhere you so desire. And you can type in whatever it is that you so desire. And after you press enter, that box is then created. And of course, you can drag it wherever you like. There's also the strikeout annotation. So you can highlight something here, such as this particular sentence. In essence, we have a strikeout. We have the free draw annotation. So if there's something that maybe there's a paragraph or something that you want to circle, you can do such. And of course, you have color options and thickness levels that you can choose. And lastly, you have the area annotation, which in essence allow you to box the area, and then you can type in your comment there. So in essence, this will any submitted essays, research papers, etc. And of course, once you've made your annotations, of course, you can grade it. And of course, you can give also additional comments in the comment box. And of course, once you do submit, this allows your students to not only see the grade that you give them, but also see these annotations that you've made. And in essence, that is today's tip. Thank you so much for watching. And as always, have a great Bishop State Day.